Hey YouTube, RPM Idaho here. Got another knife review for you. This one is going to be on the Lightning OTF. It's this knife here. The specs on this knife are 8 inches overall, 3.5 inch blade length, and a weight of 4 ounces. The color, this is from Blade HQ. The color is what they're calling grasshopper green or mint green powder coat. I think anybody that collects knives or is into knives pretty much knows about these. The action on it is a stainless steel blade, although they don't say what flavor that blade is going to be. The handle material is aluminum, like I said, aluminum powder coat, and so is the deployment button. I believe the pocket clip is stainless steel. The actions on these is pretty quick. You can see there, it says Lightning on it. If the camera's focusing. Anyway, trust me, it says Lightning on it. Partially serrated, looks like half and half. Clip point design, brushed stainless. Just a nice little knife. This is my son's knife. He wanted one, especially when he saw the color. And as usual, the Lightnings have a little bit of blade play up and down, side to side. And pretty much with any OTF at this price range, which is right around $30, $32, you're going to get that. You know, you got to get up into the MTECs and the Benchmates to get out of that blade play. And I think even those knives have just a slight bit of blade play. It's just the nature of the knife. So there it is. Wicked deployment and a very usable knife. The Lightning OTF in a grasshopper green or mint powder coat green, as Blade HQ calls it, for $30 to $32. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you.